Now class third C. This is class third C. Subject GSC. Date, that is 4/11/2020. So we are studying the worksheet 8. We are studying the lesson 8. Lesson 8. Matter, solids, liquids and gases. Matter, solids, liquids and gases. We are studying lesson 8. Matter, solids, liquids and gases. We have completed the reading. Now we are going to see the worksheet 8. Worksheet 8. This is the revision. So worksheet 8. Worksheet 8. So first A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. So first, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. The first, you have to fill matter. A second, is the only substance on earth that is naturally present in three different forms. Is the only substance on earth that is naturally present in three different states. Which substance is there? That is water. Water is the only substance on the earth that is naturally present in three different forms. That is the second one is water, as it is present in the form of the solids, liquids and the gases. We know about the ice, snow, that is solid state of the water, and the water what we use for drinking, that liquid state, and water vapors are the steams or the gaseous state. So this is the water is the only substance which found in three different states naturally. Now the process of changing a liquid into a gas, is called evaporation. The process of changing a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. So third, evaporation. And fourth, you see, the process of changing a gas into a liquid. Gas into a liquid is called as the condensation. Gas into liquid is called as the condensation. By the condensation, gas is converted into the liquid. So fourth is gas into liquid, that is the condensation. Condensation. And fifth, the three states of matter, solid, liquid and gases are, the three states of matter, solid, liquid and gases are interchangeable. interchangeable. So once again we can see first, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Second, is the only substance on earth that is naturally present in three different forms. So water is the only substance on earth that is naturally present in three different forms. Now third, the process of changing of liquid into gas is called evaporation. And next, fourth, the process of changing a gas into a liquid is called condensation. And fifth, the three states of matter, solid, liquid and gas are interchangeable. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now we have to see tick the right answer. Next we have to see the tick the right answer. B. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So in the first we have to see matter existence. Matter exists in three options are there. One state, two states or three states. Which will be correct? Three states. So you have to write first three states. Matter exists in three states. Second, a state of matter has a different shape and size. A state of matter in which there is a constant shape and size. A state of matter has a different shape and size. Three options are there: liquid, solid and gas. So there will be solid. Second, solid. And third, on cooling, steam changes into vapor, water and ice. Three options are there: vapor, water and the ice. What will be correct? Water will be correct. On cooling, steam changes into water. So third will be water. And fourth you see, on cooling, steam changes into. On cooling, third, that is over. On cooling, steam changes into. And fourth, you see, the change in a state of matter from solid to liquid. Solid to liquid is known as solid, liquid, solid convert into the liquids. When you take out ice cream from the fridge, then what happens? Ice cream is solid state, and when you take it out from the fridge, it melts and converted into the liquid. So so what options are given? The change in a state of matter from solid to liquid is known as melting. So fourth, you have to write about melting. Fourth, melting. And fifth, the change in the state of matter from liquid to solid. liquid to solid is known as condensation, freezing and evaporation. You can take the example water liquid. You keep the water in the fridge, then what will happen? It became converted into the ice, the solid state of matter. So this process is known as freezing. The change in a state of matter from liquid to a solid is known as freezing. This is known as the freezing. So these are the, take the right answers. We have completed. Next day we will discuss about what happens and group the following under the proper heading. Thank you. That's for today.